Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new Divi Layout Pack. This week we have for you a brand new dog breeder layout pack, which will allow you to get a nice dog breeder website up and running in just a few clicks. So go ahead and check it out. This dog breeder layout pack has exactly what you need for a stunning dog breeder website. The pages have various kinds of dog breeder content, including an elegant how it works process timeline, which is very cool. And the custom illustrations do boost the design with excitement and color, making it engaging to visitors. Use it to start a blog, promote dog breeder services, or even create an online shop. So go ahead and take it for a spin today. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new dog breeder layout pack on your own website. All right, now before we can start adding this new dog breeder layout pack to your website, you must first make sure that you activate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options, and click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. That way you'll have access to all of our Divi layout packs from the Divi Builder. And once that's done, you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To get started, go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a name, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll down and find the new dog breeder layout pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and select the one that you want, and then when you're ready, click Use This Layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save and publish the page. Also, you can make any edits that you want. And when you're done, you'll want to continue the same process to create all your pages and then add each of those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. And once all your pages have been created, with those pre-made layouts uploaded to each of them, you are ready to add a primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you just created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to your menu. And then you can organize the menu items however you like under this menu structure area. And don't forget to set the display location as primary menu, and then click Save Menu. And once you're done with your menu, you are ready for the final step, which is to create a static home page for your website. And you can do that by going to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page. And then for the homepage, select that homepage that you just created and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new dog breeder layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And make sure you click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.